a big sports fan. I grew up as an athlete, and my mom was a KU grad herself. And in April 1988, watching Danny Manning win the national championship, I turned around at age 13 and said, I want to be a Jayhawk too, Mommy. About 5 years later, I'm being recruited as a track and field athlete by Kansas and accept a scholarship to head over here to Great Old Lawrence.
You're involved in the Houston network, so what are the kinds of events that you guys do in Houston?
For many years, all I was just, hey, let's do a watch party, and that was essentially it. But I feel like being an alumni and a leader of the chapter, there needs to be more. And so this past year, we did a volunteer month at the Houston Food Bank. We are doing a guided tour at the Houston Museum of Art for the Van Gogh exhibit.
What advice would you give to students who are just graduating now?
I would say reach out to the alumni that are there. Once you make those connections, then you're going to feel involved. And there you can start sharing your ideas of what you would be interested in, and things can be developed from there. That's all it is. It's just reaching out. Lawrence is a very special place. It's just the atmosphere here. I mean, I flew in, so I'm driving down I-70, and it was a clear day yesterday, and you get to see Fraser Hall from miles away, and you just get that feeling in your gut, in your heart, and almost makes you want to cry every time you come back. Once a Jayhawk, always a Jayhawk.